Hey, welcome to Everyday Jewish Mom. My name is Marty, and if you watched my last video, you know that the kids and I took a trip to Ikea as something to do, and so I thought I would go over with you everything that we got. Most important things first, each of my kids picked out a new lovey. Oof. More importantly for me, I got some new toilet brushes. They have them in white and black. I got white because I always get white, but maybe next time black. I like to buy new ones of these fairly often, and they're $1 at Ikea, so that way I can have a fresh one in the bathrooms. I got a stack of these dish towels. They're 79 cents each. I got 10 of them this time. I have been buying these forever, and so anytime I go, I get a new stack to replenish. Slowly they get kind of gross and I throw them away. I use them to dry dishes, to dry our hands, to dry messes, kind of a lot of situations where I would use paper towels. Instead, I use dishcloths that I just throw in with our regular laundry. And they all have like a loop. So I have a whole stack of them hanging on a hook in my kitchen. I got this terracotta pot. I have a plant that I want to put into here. I don't know if I will leave it this color or paint it. But I really liked that it was a nicer shape than the classic terracotta. So even if I do leave it this color, it still has that nice soft edge to it. We have a white dog, so I bought lint rollers, and they have the lint roller refills too. I also got some of those. So maybe when we leave the house, we won't look like we have a white dog. I've also found I need this for the couch a lot. But luckily my kids like doing it, so it's okay. One more house thing and then the kids' things. I got this, here we go, let me turn it for you. This complete set of Tupperware here. I've gotten this set before. It has 17 pieces. The lids are interchangeable among multiple pieces. It has nice big ones, this size here, which can store large things. I actually use it when I wash berries and things. As like an open container in my refrigerator. And then they also have teeny tiny little containers. There we go, like that. And these ones I use for lunches. I can fill up a couple of them and they fit nicely in a lunchbox. I've had these for a while now. They hold up really well, and so I got another set. Now all the kids stuff. All right, so I got one of their giant rolls of paper. They do have an option of buying a dispenser for this. You can hang on a wall. I like to be able to kind of tape it up and put it away. I'm not committing to wall space for this yet, so I just got the roll of paper. I got this watercolor set. I love how saturated the colors look. We'll have to give it a try and see if they paint as saturated as they look here. Go ahead and check my Instagram account. I will be trying it out there, and I'll put it in the highlights under my Ikea tag if you're curious how this worked out. The next thing I got were these marker stamps. They all have different shapes to them, little footprints and froggies and a heart, whatever. I thought that this would be something really fun for the kids that they can do on their own to keep them busy. We'll see. This is a puzzle. It's a number puzzle that then you can paint all of the numbers. And I just thought that this would be a fantastic gift. This with some paints will be something really fun to give to someone as a present. These picture frames, I know I pointed these out before. These are 4x6 size. They have many sizes and many colors, but they're perfect for doing crafts with, because they have a nice flat surface. My kids have used regular glue to glue things onto here, and it's just a fun activity. I think we might do this at a birthday party sometime. And I saw these little chef's aprons and chef's hats. I could not pass those by. Two for my kids, my little chef helpers. You'll probably see them in videos in the future. Well, guys, thanks for coming along with me to Ikea. We were there for 3 hours exploring. The kids had a great time. We had a good meal. I obviously came home with a lot of good stuff. Oh, in the comments below, please let me know your favorite things about Ikea. I love that place, so I would love to get some advice from you. Don't forget to subscribe. I put out videos all the time on being a mom and being a Jewish mom. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram. I will have a highlight there of all of my favorite Ikea things. And check out what else I've got going on.